the Eagle Lap Steel guitar kit. It's an 8-string version. It comes with the key head, the surround, and the bridge, a pickup, single coil or humbucker, an output jack and the cover. The fretboard is a 2-piece fretboard. It's a dust catcher style fretboard. That's what comes in the parts kit if you want to buy just the parts kit. It does not come with tuning keys. You can choose your own as standard guitar tuning keys. The bottom board and the neck is an optional piece if you want that for an extra cost. You can get it at jimmyhudson.com or call 704-796-8929 to order yours today. Thank you and have a great day.